as a parent, do you think university is worth it? Let's talk about it.
So there's lots more kind of blurred lines in the choice of what you study. So I think trying to get the decision right, we definitely don't want the situation where we've got our young people changing course or feeling like this is the wrong course for me, particularly if that could mean another year in education. Yeah, it's getting the decision right, but you're only kind of like one part of the equation because there's lots of variables, isn't there? There's the university that you go to, there's the location that you go to, there's the type of demographic there. We all know, and it's well researched and well evidenced, how many advantages there are for students going to university. So your question whether is it worth it, there's an enormous amount of personal growth, there's that independence, that's moving away from home, there's a broadening your horizons, particularly then if that can extend to more of a global viewpoint. These days more than ever, which is really exciting for our young people to, have the scope to look at the world and their future and their careers like that. But essentially, it needs to work for them. It needs to pay back the financial investment and the time investment, and the whole upheaval of it is significant. So it has to work for their careers. So I think the question is, yes, if they've got the right organisation, the right opportunities to springboard their career and make a success as young people at graduates and be putting themselves at an advantage and a distinctive place in the marketplace.